I'm Judy Arnold. Well, I started skating in the bank track when I was 16 years old, and I skated for 15 years professionally. In those days, we got paid. We traveled all over the United States and other countries and got knocked around a lot, but loved it just like the Derby today. The girls love it, and I loved it. I was a star, but I was a star because I had a great team. I don't take all the credit.
What was roller derby like when you were skating?
We had a bank track, yeah, and not a flat track. The track would be brought to a building and set up, and then the teams would come and skate, and people paid to come in and watch us. And I skated before 15,000 people cheering my name in those days. Yeah, in the East Coast, I skated with the Warriors, and loved it, absolutely loved it. Roller derby was very popular on TV every week. We were on TV every week, and it's just a really great time. I loved. I started training at 13, and at 16 I was a professional.
Wow.
So, yeah. So, and then I skated for 15 years.
Yep. What was your position? What did you
Well,
play?
I was a captain of the team, but I could play whatever position was needed at that time. I did a lot more blocking because I was one of the bigger ones on the team, and but I was a jammer too. And as this picture shows you, I could leapfrog over people.
Can you still do that, you think?
I'd rather not. Thank
Awesome.
you. Yeah.
So what's the difference between a bank track and a flat track?
Well, the bank track has to be set up, and when I first started skating, the banks were at the top, where if you went over the railing, it was 10 feet to the ground. That's how high it was.
Whoa.
And if you went through the rail, you know, it wasn't a good thing. But nowadays, the skating is on the flat floor, and they mark the rink out, and so it's real different. But I say that the girls enjoy what they're doing, and I think it's wonderful because I enjoyed what I did. You know, I'm grateful for what I could have done.
Do you have like a wildest moment while you were skating or while you were performing or competing?
I think one of the things, of course, 15,000 people cheering my name was like amazing. One of the most scary things was I was on a visiting team, and when we left the building, the fans were mobbing us. It can be very dangerous. I don't know that the girls have any issues with that, but we did. And we just barely got away in our car because people get so angry at you, they want to hurt you.
Oh my God.
But most of the time I was on the home team, so that was good.
Awesome. And is it true that you wrote a book?
Yes, it is.
You want to show it to me?
Well, it's on the thing here too, but this is it. Just finished. It's taken quite a while because I'm not a writer, and so it's been a challenge, but I wanted to get this story out and so people could know what I did and how I did it. It's just, this is it.
Awesome.
Derby Queen.
Awesome. How does it feel to be the Derby Queen?
Well, I wasn't the only, but it's an honor to be, honored for being a great skater. And I give God all the glory because I had an athletic body, I had the ability, and I'm so grateful that I was able to live through it. And still today I can walk and I can get around, and I'm grateful for that because there was a lot of body parts banged. I broke my ankle in 7 places.
Oh my goodness.
When I was skating, and so I'm just grateful I'm healthy.
If you could give any advice to roller derby players now, what would it be?
Well, what I tell the girls is if you want to become a great skater, you have to be able to stay up on your skates. You can't learn all the tricks till you learn to skate. So skate as much as you can. Go out on the sidewalk and skate. Go in parking lots and skate. Just skate. Because once you got your balance, then you can do all the moves. You can learn them without falling. So I just tell them skate as much as you can. That's my advice. Because then you can do the stuff you're learning. But if you can't stand up, you can't do much. Yeah.
And soon we'll be able to buy your book?
Yes, it'll be it's going to get on Amazon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.